What it do, chat? We back with another video. I've been down, had COVID and some more stuff, man. Trying to get back into the swing of things. We've been having a lot of sell pressure since Friday. You feel me? I executed a couple contracts, been making a good headway. But today, with this market sell-off, you know how I get, man. So we gonna be a lot of transparent with y'all, right? You feel me? You feel me? You dig what I mean? So we down bad, blood. We down pretty bad. I will say that. But one thing that we do know about down days is that they come back with a vengeance when it's good days. You dig? So we've been here before. Actually, when we started this journey on our stock journey back in June, we were actually in the same position, down like 3,700. Then we doubled down. We made sure we made the good calls, and we still got more money to buy in on buying power. Still in my G stat. Not. I'm banking on this, man. The G stat is the wave, man. The G stat is the way to go. So checking out some of my positions. A lot of these contracts have been bought within like last Friday actually. So the Q, the Spy, the Burke, the JP, and the Sherman was bought on Friday. The ones prior to this, so the Equifax, I think the Equifax was maybe bought like a month ago. By Equifax, November 27th. Okay, so that was about a month ago. The bad thing is with that is that I already had the ability to take out my profits on Equifax because I was in the trade from here until here. So now with the retracement on Equifax, it's not that bad. You feel me? It's breaking into my support right here, but it does have a lot of head over um pressure, you feel me? A lot of resistance right here on this between this 260 and then this 220. I mean this 260 and this 252. So as far as Equifax, you feel me? We gonna thug with that contract, bro. It's a good company. We credit is at an all-time high right now. Um I really should have showed out of this contract maybe about last week. I kind of held it on too long, so whatever. Yeah. As far as the SPY and the QQQ, and I'm not really worried about that due to the fact that it was a massive sell off, you feel me? So it's not really a lot of pressure. Nvidia, Tesla's down probably about 13-14% from the all time high of this year. Google couldn't break over that 200, so it pushed back down. Apple is the only thing running right now, running strong. After earnings on Nvidia, they didn't really push up high enough. So the next one we got that we opened up was FedEx. We're not gonna take a look at that one right now, just because it's in profit. We're not too worried about that. The ones I do want to look at though are Berkshire Hathaway, Equifax, Sherman Williams, and J.P. Morgan Chase. So for Berkshire Hathaway, right? I might have gotten into this play a little bit too early, just because if we look right here, right, on the weekly, it's right in the range of the 20 and the 50. But Berkshire Hathaway, I'm like, man, bro, it's Warren Buffett, baby. Like, it's Warren Buffett, dog. Gotta go with the guru. You feel me? When the times are bad, man, you go with solidified companies. A lot of my positions are in good positions. Like they're in good quality companies that can definitely come back within the time frame of the contract expiration date. So my closest expiration date is the 17th. For these down here, not too really concerned about it. I'll wait for the Donald Trump presidency to be inaugurated for his inauguration in order to see if I'm gonna be able to close out some of these contracts or if I'm just gonna continue rolling them over. Because a lot of these positions are some of the top 20 companies in the S&P 500. You feel me? So we got Sherman Williams, that's a top like 50 company. McDonald's is like a top 100 company. JP Morgan like top 10. FedEx is about top 100. DHI, that's kind of low on the list. Berkshire Hathaway is like number 8 or 9. SPY that runs the whole entire market. The QQQ Mag 7, so you feel me? That's pretty good. That's solid. Nvidia, they just had another announcement going on, and then Equifax is like a top 100 company. So I'm not sad. You feel me? You're only sad when you sell. You feel me? So we down to probably about like 7,000 right now. That's cap. So last week we was at what 35. So 35 is how much I put in. 35 is how much I put in, and we had about 27. So a majority is $1,500 on the G Stat, which I put like 9,000 I think into. Um, and then look how many open interests it got. That's just stellar. So that's stellar. I'm not really worried about G Stat. That's my bank. Colgate, that one did me dirty. So I got the contract out for like damn near 6 months. So we'll hold that. Sherman 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months. All these are pretty good. You feel me? I really only like holding contracts for about a month. So I'm going to definitely start putting my just really trading to trade for profit. You feel me? Trading to trade for profit, and not trading to trade just to have trades in. You feel me? We're gonna trade for profit from here on out. So so that's my update and my analysis for right now. We're not closing out no contracts right now. We're not closing out any contracts. We're not taking no losses. We're not solidifying any losses at the moment. For right now, we're about $10,000 in on contracts, right? So we're about $10,000 in on all of these contracts minus the G stat. So that's my limit. That's like my max that I can go. $10,000 per one group of contracts. And honestly, it literally should be a little bit less because I should have closed out this Equifax and I should have waited on this SPY. So it's like a band, and then this was at like two bands. So we're supposed to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, which will basically be like pretty much even where we at right now. So as the market goes on throughout the week, pretty much Wednesday and Thursday are our best selling days, unless the early days of the week in the market are bad, like they are right now, 13, 14, 15% down. The S&P, let's check to see the S&P looking like. The S&P 500 is down basically 2% today. Over the past 5 days, it's over down 1%. So we're just looking for a quick bounce back. So it's basically returning back to this low of earlier this month, pretty much. 56, pretty much. And then it can even go down to like this 57 right here, G. So it started getting down to this 52. We just lost 10,000, so we'll just call it like that. But as far as my pure stocks, not doing nothing there. I just probably bought like two more SMR. Two more micro strategies. But other than that, I'm not really moving right now. I'm kind of just waiting to see this unfold, pretty much. Good thing about these companies though, like man, bro, they can bump quick. You feel me? Like Equifax down 39, basically 13% in the past 3 months, baby. Like, come on, kid. Look at that, dropping below the weekly. It got the doji right here, so it's not gonna drop no more than probably 248, 249, 250, somewhere in there. If it does drop any lower than that, it'll hit like 241 max. You feel me? 241, 240, somewhere in there, and then bounce right up to the top. You feel me? Like once the doji hit, it don't go. So 181 to 160, about 20 points. So we'll go from this doji 266 to about 241. There we go, right there. Boom. So that's all we got right there. So that's Equifax right there. I'll fuck around and even roll the contract over, boy. If it start looking like it's about to expire before the 17th, for sure. The Q and the SPY, not really worried about that. Not really worried about Uber. Not really worried about Nvidia because I downsized other two positions. Already made money there. This one is really the only one that I'm worried about, only because The date is so close. Berkshire Hathaway is good. DHI, that one's okay. Could back recover. FedEx looking already like it's doing money. JP Morgan and McDonald's, definitely. Feel me? Those companies aren't going bankrupt within the next 2-3 months. Not happening. So that's our analysis for right now. I'll upload this and then I'll come back if I have any more information, any more updates. But for right now, we are not getting pressed out by no red. You understand what I'm saying? We don't get pressed out by no red, boy. We double down and make some more money. Understand what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Cash Like Green. I'm out.